All right. So back to today. Okay, today's October 4th, 2024. Just had major news event come out, moved the market. Knew that would happen. Looks like we broke out of the highs here, closed above on the 1 minute, came back retested, held this prior news candle, and then pushed up higher after that. After we bounce, so good opportunity to maybe enter here, but trading news is very, 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 very freaking risky. Um, let's see what NQ was doing. NQ did the same thing. So NQ did the exact same thing. Came and held the highs here, and then was able to bounce and move up higher. So um, for ES, maybe entering on this candle here, which is a bit much. This is like a 10-point move. That in order to catch it, but would prefer the more aggressive move, which will be to come back and retest that stop loss right here, and let price just hopefully ride up. Um, so it's selling. It's crazy that yeah, it's selling on the buying candle. Yeah, so probably buying right here on the retest of this candle. Stop loss right here. Since price did close above. So let's say put the entry here like that. So just mock idea. Still a lot of risk. Risking about um, 7 points, 8 points. So 8 points, we've got 16, 24. All right, that should be about a 24-point move. Uh, so yeah, maybe trying to get out here at the high, so about 21-point move. So as we scrambling. So all right, let's try to go over the levels that I was going over. So I have something marked here and here. I had a zero print right down here. I think I can have another zero print. Right now, price look like it's going to reverse. So this is Mondays. This is not Mondays, but Tuesdays the first. And now price has finally decided to reverse all of this action that it had at the beginning of the week. So now we're reversing the entire action uh, now during before the market opens. And I'm actually gonna be quick because I gotta get going. Looks like we were, yep, holding, and then pushing up. Okay, so with price breaking through all of my levels and reversing back to these tops here, I was really hoping we are gonna break down lower, but have to follow what price does. Had buying here pre-market, a little bit of retest and push up. Price is still rising. Price is still heading towards supply up above. Still have some space to go. So I'm going to go down to my lower time frames and see what's behind these candles. I already did it for ES. I already did these markets for ES for NQ as well, and in VIX. So just looking to see if there's buying at these locations. Let's see what I can work with. So right here is the strongest candle. I'm gonna mark that. It's actually 3 o'clock. I'm gonna pin this one. I need to go to my Heikin Ashi candle and mark that one as well. So we have the entire candle to deal with. I think the buying truly starts here because this is the biggest buying candle after the selling tried to occur. So let me mark the whole Heikin Ashi candle so I can see what I'm working with. Oh, it's probably up already. I just can't see it. Okay. Heck was I looking at? Oh yeah, right here. All right. Yeah, we came down to that level after we came back above. Came down to it, held, and then pushed up. Got a zero print right around here. So I am interested in this area here. All right, so that's gonna be my zero print. I'm gonna have to look into these candles if you're just in zero prints. I think that's pretty much it for that. I'll be back with this later. I'm not sure if I'll do a recording of that. Let me mark this one. Same thing here. The price is still rising very rapidly into that area. Then we also have a speaker at 9 o'clock. Get rid of these since we broke through them. That's essentially it. I am going to mark the news areas, but I'm probably going to look at this area here on a higher time frame to see what exactly that we got. I'm going to mark the news first 15 minutes of the news. And like I said, we got a speaker at 9. I'm doing this one. I'm trying to expand this one down. And this can stop right there. Got a speaker at 9 o'clock. So we'll see how price reacts around then. And this definitely is giving me a demand area. And here we are going to our level that we have above. Kind of going back to that level that pushed price all the way down. Actually, we're back there again. So maybe the sellers might still be there. Maybe they're on vacation. Maybe they're taking the day off. Yesterday was Rosh Hashanah day. Oh, it's the Jewish holiday. Rosh. I think I'm saying it wrong. After that, let's do VIX real quickly, and then off camera I am gonna go through my my zero prints to see what I can find, if I can find anything, because I believe I saw a lot. I just have to go do something else. So got that. Okay. All right. So that's it for me for now. With my levels, we did news. Let's go over settlement price, which is important. We're up over 44 points from it, so it'll be considered the gap area, which is what I've been realizing. I've been ignoring settlement price for a long time until the other day I had a eureka moment that says, you know what, that could be your gap area that you should be marking. So settlement is basically gap, and it didn't dawn on me until now, or until then. So here we go. So this is basically, this will be filling the gap for the day, because basically where price closed. So this would be where price comes to. It looks very nice. And let's do NQ, and then I'm likely going to walk away. We may get another push down around that supply zone up above, or maybe price will consolidate for the next 30 minutes. Not quite sure. All right, that's it for me for today. Um, Price is back at that area, so we'll see how price reacts during the open. I'll be back later in the evening to go over the price action for the day. All right. Ooh, this is